Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to crop an imported image in Photoshop. Let's get started. Go to File, Place, and place your image. Then crop fully document or full image. Click OK. Or crop only inserted image. First of all, click the image layer, right click, raster as. Then use rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, or use this tool or to this selection. Example, I use rectangular marquee tool. Then select, go to select tab, inverse. Press delete on your keyboard. Press Ctrl D. Now we can see this crop and imported image. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.